If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna walk up the park. I'm gonna have to bring Peanut with me so we can walk together. Yes, stay tuned. This way, this way. Peanut, this way. Come on. What are you doing? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Don't go that way. This way. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Oh, don't go there. Not there. Let's go, let's go. Look at your butt. It's shaking. Peanut, your butt is shaking. Peanut! Peanut, look! Peanut! Peanut!
Wala
Peanut!
po. Lang ito.
Peanut! Peanut! Mr. Peanut. Oops, look at you. What are you marking there? It's nice weather today. That's why I decided to walk with Peanut. Peanut, are you tired? You had a good walk today? Huh? You tired now? Down. Oh. Now I'm gonna do a clean up the interior of my car. I already start vacuuming, so let me finish the whole thing, right? So let's do this. it's too dirty. It's been a year. I haven't cleaned this car. So dirty. Look at that. It's so disgusting. So dirty. Look at that. Yes. Have to do this now while the weather is still good. Soon it's gonna be cold, so I can't do this again. I'm gonna have to wait another year again to clean it, but that's why I have to do it now. And nobody will do it for me. So they have their own. They have to clean their own car. And nobody will do it for me, so I have to do it. Soon I'm gonna have to change the mat. It's gonna be a winter mat because of the snow. I don't want this to get dirty again, so we have to change the mat. This is our family car. I don't like a van, that's why I got SUV instead. It's called Santa Fe, and it's 7 seaters instead of 5. As you can see, there's a big space in the back. You can pull that chair up, and then that's great, another 2 seats in the back. So altogether, we have 7 seats. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.